Laba diena. At the beginning of this year, a client brought me some white oak planks and asked me to build a dining table for her. I think this lumber came from her own forest, so it has some meaning to her. But it was a bit too moist to be turned into the furniture, so I planed it flat and let it rest in the workshop for a few weeks. After some weeks, it got dry enough for the furniture making, and I trimmed all the edges and the rotten material, and I found some unexpected activity under the bark. And at this point, there was three options. I could either freeze it, I could bring it to the lumber drying kiln, or I could use some pesticide. First two options would have taken me from week to 2 weeks. So first of all, I checked what kind of pesticide I can get right away. I found this Italian-made antique furniture pesticide. It's super user-friendly and meant to be worked indoors, but I took some precautions anyways. So 2 days later, I have rock-dead planks. So I milled it to the final dimensions, asked for the client to come over and discuss the design. So that's what we came up with. So this section will be rather regular, just plain longitudinal joints. But this portion of the table will be jointed at 45 degrees. Since the wood movement directions are not in line, so I will have to make this joint without any glue, like you would do on the breadboard. But my idea is a bit different, and I'm thinking to make a longitudinal dovetail joint. So I guess that's the plan for the tabletop.
Thank you.